close your eyes.
I'm holding a baby. I'm not closing my eyes.
Oh, right. Sorry. Okay, come in.
Okay.
And watch this.
No way. Did you make this?
Yes, I did. And your mom helped.
It's all so sweet. Really.
We used to be a family of 2.
Now look at us. Are you alright?
It's so much bigger.
What?
The Earth. It's so much bigger than that. And 1,000,000 times more complicated. If Finn is going to navigate this planet, he'll need to know, well, everything. Which means we have to teach him everything we know. And everything we don't know. But how do we do that? I don't even know where to start. Oh, I'm so lost.
Alright, breathe. And sit down. Look. This is new for both of us, but we'll figure it out. It's like my mom always said, if you're feeling lost, just start with what you know. Then take it one thing at a time.
Suddenly, I feel like I don't know very much at all.
Come here. You know at least one thing. We have a perfect little baby.
Yeah, I guess so. Why don't you get some sleep? We need a little father-son time.
Okay.
Oh, hello. I'm your dad. We met earlier at the hospital. Let me give you the tour. Here we are, planet Earth. Yeah, it's pretty big out there. Maybe let's start with the easy stuff. Like this apartment. It's where you live with me and your mom. What do you think? It's nice, isn't it? And here's where we eat. Here's where we keep the food cold. And here's where we keep the food hot. Yeah. Someday I'll make breakfast for you with this pan. Daddy's very good at pancakes. Here's where we do bath time. And here's where we'll do bath time when you're older. Here's where you'll sleep and wake up. Oh, and dream. These are called books. They're wonderful. You'll want to come back here when you can read. I know you can't speak yet, and I'm sure your head must be filled with questions, but be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. And then you'll use them forever. Now then, let's see. 8 planets revolve around the sun. Saturn's rings are made of dust, rock, and ice. The world's tallest volcano is Mauna Kea in Hawaii. The octopus is considered the most intelligent of all invertebrates. The blue whale is the largest animal known to have ever existed. Polaris is also known as the North Star. The incandescent light bulb is the do not close your eyes. 0 equals infinity. The same substance is after the infinity. Ben, turn it off.
What? Off! But I want to see how it works! What? I want to see how it works! Time for breakfast, huh? Oh, great. Give it time. You only checked yesterday. So, this clock is really cool. There's a spring, and it presses against this...
incredibly loud alarm clock?
Dad, no! This other thing. And
And when the hand reaches the right place, it sets off the spring and...
I think we got it, thanks. But here's a question for you. Why do we have clocks in the first place?
Tell time?
But why do we have to tell time?
So people can... I don't know.
Because time is precious. So maybe the better we organize our time into hours, into minutes, into seconds, the better we can spend our time. Look, it's great that you want to know how the alarm clock works. But sometimes you need to step back and wonder why it works. Try to see the big picture.
How do you both know everything? Whoa! Earth pancakes?
For Earth Day.
Not too bad at all. The countries are all in the right places, yes?
Well, I wouldn't chart a course by them or anything.
Oh, did you pack the lunch for the park?
We're going to the park?
For Earth Day, remember?
Isn't the park near the Museum of Everything?
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay.
And yes, lunch is packed and the forecast has changed, so it looks like sunny skies.
Can we have a family meeting?
Yes, we can.
Great. I propose that we go to the Museum of Everything today. It's Earth Day, and Earth is part of everything. So, the museum would be perfect. Plus, there's a rocketry exhibit, which probably has my top 5 favorite rockets, and plenty of other space stuff, like the Milky Way and Sputnik, and, space things.
You know that nobody loves museums more than I do. But today is Earth Day. We should be enjoying the planet. Outside.
And also, the museum gift shop probably has telescopes. And if I had one, I could see my top 5 favorite constellations, which are Scorpius, Draco...
Buddy, we're going outside.
But the museum is outside. It's outside of this apartment building. That counts.
No, it doesn't.
It's a clever argument, but no.
But spaceships!
You can come back to outer space when we get home.
Hello.
Hi. Morning.
Hi.
Whoa, Samiko, that's a cool outfit.
Oh, thank you.
And more geographically accurate than your pancakes. Well, long story.
So where are you headed today?
Oh, just a little trip to the park. Us too, but a bit later. Maybe we'll see you then. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Right then. Hold up there, Finn.
The Museum of Everything. Can we go? Please?
Come on now. Not today.
Come on! There's a lot of fresh air out there we need to breathe, and plenty of grass to picnic in, and birds and squirrels and butterflies to watch, and trees to climb.
Yay. Okay, so I just want to say it's not too late to go to the Museum of Everything.
Seriously?
Do you know what we can learn about in the Museum of Everything? Earth! It's perfect! Ow!
I think the park is telling you to stay outside.
Agreed. Let's go.
I can't win. Hey Dad, how much faster does a rocket go than our bikes?
Well, we're probably going, 15 kilometers an hour. While a rocket goes, faster than that. So I would
You know what? We can figure this all out later. For today, let's just keep our thoughts here on Earth.
keep her steady. Keep her. Yes, great. the wind is just right. It's easy, it's just... Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Nice.
There you go, look at that. I mean, it's better than sitting on a stump, right?
But I like sitting.
Then I have an idea.
Maybe I don't like sitting. Hello, fish. You are here.
Ah, this is great.
What you thinking about, Finn? You seem distracted.
I found a really cool bike trail on the map. And after lunch, we should all go for a ride on our bikes. And along the way, we can look at nature and think about how great the Earth is because it's Earth Day. Good idea, right?
Okay.
Cool trail.
Look at those trees.
I know! Nature is so beautiful! Oh, wow! The Museum of Everything! I'm so surprised!
Yeah, what a surprise.
Since we're here, I don't know, maybe we could go to the museum?
He totally tricked us.
You gotta hand it to him. The kid has persistence.
And ingenuity. Part of me is really proud.
Well, I think he won this round. Okay, shall we?
Oh, yes!
All right, bud. So, you got your way, we're here at the museum, but if you're going to be here, you should really learn something. Let's see, where should we start? Finn!
Over here! Ankylosaurus, Carnotaurus, Diplodocus, Apatosaurus, and Spinosaurus.
The Diplodocus is related to... What? He was just here.
Come on! What's that?
That is you. On the inside.
Use my brain for thinking, my lungs for breathing, my heart pumps my blood, and my bones hold it all together.
Yep, and there's a lot to look after, so look after it. Most bits don't grow back.
My hair, and my toenails, and my fingernails.
You're right. Those do grow back. Very clever.
Hang on! Ah, I was enjoying that.
All right, lift off in 5,
I'm so sorry, but we're full up. And this exhibit is now closed for the rest of the day.
Never mind, Finn. Maybe there's something else to see. Oh, let's check this out.
This looks cool. It's so big. Is it broken?
I think it might be out of service.
Wait a second.
Hello?
Okay. Well, hello.
Hang on.
Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of...
What? Oh,
Was it supposed to happen?
I guess the voice is broken.
Can you do it?
Sure. The Earth is basically made of two parts, land and sea. And,
First, let's talk about the land. We know lots about it. The desert is dry and hot. The plains are flat. The hills are bumpy. The tops of volcanoes can be very hot. While the tops of mountains can be very cold.
and now we're above the sea, which is full of wonderful things. It goes nearly 7 miles deep.
Is that true?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific. It says it right here, look.
Whoa, did you see that?
The sea has creatures of all shapes and sizes, from the tiny seahorse to the
Giant octopus?
yes, octopus. Good. Ooh. The bottom of the sea is very dark, but luckily, many kinds of fish produce their own light, so they can see. It looks awesome.
Also the sky. Though that can get pretty complicated. This looks like, Earth's atmosphere.
The stratus thingy.
The atmosphere is the layer of gases which we call air that surrounds the Earth.
Oh, thank goodness she's back.
You're good. Thanks. The tiniest change in the atmosphere can have a huge effect on our weather and on our lives, producing rain, wind, snow, fog, and more. When we take a bigger step back, we can see that the moon spins around us here on Earth, while the Earth spins around the sun. And in the very far distance, almost 6 trillion miles away, we can see stars, bright, burning balls of gas that dot the sky on a clear night. But closer to home, down here on our planet, there are people. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people, and we all share the Earth. There are animals, too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak to us, though that's no reason not to be nice to them.
There you go.
Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well.
Because time is precious.
Though we have come a long way, there is plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everybody else. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got.
That was epic.
Did you like it, hon?
For the first time in his life, he's speechless.
Can we have a family meeting?
Sure.
I propose we go back to the park. Like, right now.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, the museum is really cool, but we should be at the park, especially today.
And off he goes again.
Hello, trees! Hello, lake! Hello, fish! Hello, birds! Hey, butterflies!
You know, if you count the rings, you can find out how old it is.
Oh, yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 41, 142, 143. Whew! 143 rings.
That means this tree was 143 years old.
Whoa! That's older than Grandma!
Yes, that's older than Grandma's grandma. The clouds are beautiful today.
Is that one an octopus riding a dolphin?
No, it's more like a car full of balloons.
Ah, very nice. Oh, now it's just a bowl of mashed potatoes. So what do you see up there?
Hey, Finn. You okay?
So, to this bug, I must look really big.
Yeah. The way you look to that insect is probably similar to the way that building looks to you.
It's so big. Whoa, that's really big.
Uh-oh.
Well, it was fun while it lasted.
Come on, let's get home. You've been pretty quiet, Finn. What's up?
Well, you know the bug at the park?
What were you gonna say, hon?
Oh, great.
What's happening?
Looks like the power is out. Must have been the storm. It's nothing to worry about.
I have an idea.
We were thinking we might go upstairs on the roof. With the power out, the stars will be really bright.
Yeah, okay.
You two, you go ahead. I'll be up soon.
It's pretty.
Yes, it is. So, the telescope you wanted? We were saving it for your birthday. But we're giving it to you right now.
Hooray!
Yes, way. It's a present for Earth Day.
Oh, thank you.
All right, I'll leave you for some father-son time. I'm gonna go check on the neighbors.
Oh, right then. All right. I'm pretty sure this one is Scorpius. Your favorite constellation? All right, what's going on? You've been quiet ever since we were at the park.
Well, you know how Mom always says to look at the big picture?
Sure.
Well, at the museum, and then later at the park, I felt like I was starting to see the big picture, and
It was too big?
yeah. And I always wanted to know everything, you know?
Oh, I know.
And now it's like the world is so huge that no matter how much I learn, there'll never be enough. I feel like how that bug at the park must have felt when it was looking up at me.
Well, it sounds like you feel...
Lost.
Hey, come here. Finn, I completely understand. It can be scary to think about how big the world is. But sometimes, if you look at it the right way, the world can be much smaller than you think. You know what Mom once told me? When you're lost, just start with what you know. You know where the Big Dipper is?
Sure, right there.
Exactly. Well, those two stars at the end there, they point directly at...
The North Star.
Right, Polaris. So that means you can always find north in the night sky. It's always there, wherever you are. And if you know where north is, you can start to find your way home and you won't be so lost.
Dad, does everyone get lost?
Yes, they do. At some point, every single person gets lost.
Then we should show them all where the North Star is.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good start, but it's a little more complicated. I'd say just treat everyone with kindness and respect, and then you can help people feel a little less lost. And listen, if you ever need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away, and when I'm not there, you can always ask someone else.
Good evening. Hi.
You're never alone on Earth.
Scorpius. It looks like a scorpion. Exactly. It's my favorite thing in space. Actually, wait. No, it isn't. What is? Earth. Earth is my favorite thing in space.
Away from Earth, one thing becomes clear. This planet, alone in the cosmos, is the place where people live. And live we do. Life on Earth is a wonderful thing. It looks big, but there are lots of us on here. 7.5 billion at last count, with more showing up every day. Even so, there is still enough for everyone, if we all share a little. So please, be kind. Of course, there is so much more for you to learn about living on planet Earth. But for now, these are the things we think you need to know.